MLA of Sagolban Assembly Constituency RK Imo, who is also an MLA of BJP today, requested all legislators who signed for separate administration to come and attend the assembly session in Imphal and discuss everything on the floor of the August House and try to solve all issues together. A video footage sent by the MLA to ELITETV, the MLA mentions that they should not fear for anything as central government and state government will provide the tightest of security measures. We all will ensure the protection of each other. However, those legislators from the political party who have supported for separate administration, also withdrawn support from the state government, should ideally resign from the August House, as they should not be drawing salary from the state government or assembly, enjoy all the perks of the government and yet speak against the state of Manipur, the MLA added.
The withdrawal of support to the government at this point of time, it's something which we all expected, because they've already written a memorandum to the central government regarding separate administration. So in one way, it is virtually an announcement that they're not part of the state administration. So it doesn't surprise us that they've taken such steps. More importantly, it doesn't affect the government, because the government enjoys the majority. The support of 54 MLAs were there. So if 2 MLAs from KPA is also removed, we still have 52 MLAs. And not just the count of MLAs, it's more to do with what is happening in the state at this point of time. I want to request all the legislators from the particular community who have written for separate administration, please come to the assembly floor. Let us all discuss and let us take this forward as one family member. All the 60 MLAs should be discussing together. There will be no issues of any kind of apprehension to any member of the Legislative Assembly. I'm sure Government of India, Government of Manipur will provide adequate security and ensure that everyone is safe, everyone is there participating, and we'll all ensure together that we can all work it out together.